Yeah? Okay. So, okay, hi everyone. So today I decided to clean out my closet. I'm gonna get rid of clothes that like I don't wear, but I keep. I keep everything because I'm like, I'm gonna wear it one day. So let's just get on with the video of me cleaning out my closet. So a little closet tour. This is my closet. Comment if you want a room tour because I love room tours, but I don't know if I want to do one. Kind of a little messy. Let's look at this poster of Tina Belcher with the face of Barack Obama. So we have Olaf, a mirror, stool, flannels and sweaters and cardigans, my t-shirts and my shorts. This shelf has like a bunch of t-shirts and tank tops and my sweatpants, hats, dance clothes, and exercise clothes. Those are my fancy leggings that I wore in Pippin. If you saw my Pippin vlog. Down here we have work clothes, painting sweatshirt. Moving on. Long pants, jackets, fancy clothes, my suit, and of course my donut costume. These are all hoodies. This is my rain jacket, bow ties and stuff, all my winter hats and scarves and gloves. We have my dance shoes. Then these are shoes, fancy shoes, and my Crocs. Right now, I'm going to go through my t-shirts and stuff. We will see what happens. So I finished. We are done now. This is the finished product. Bags, clothes. My hats are over there. Look how nice and neat that is now. More clothes. So yeah, we are all set. So yeah. So it is a couple days after I cleaned out my closet. Still looking good, still keeping it clean. But now I'm gonna tie-dye the stuff. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you the shirts that I am going to tie-dye with bleach. Okay, so this is the first one. Don't really wear it. I don't know how it's gonna look on the green, but hopefully it looks cool. Like, I'm not gonna be upset if this gets ruined. It's just a black t-shirt. This one, also, it's this color, and it's just a t-shirt. Same with this one. This is senior 2017, because that's when I graduated. Let's go. Hi, so we're in my garage, and what you will need is a squirty bottle, which I am using a water bottle with a hole in the top, half bleach, half water, or I saw another video and it said 1/3 bleach, 2/3 water. I don't really know what to do, so I just did half. You have your shirts, and then rubber bands. Okay, so we're just gonna start with the black one because this is the one I'm most excited about. Open it up. We're gonna, oh, this is not, this is the wrong black shirt. So we will wait to do this, and I will go get the right one. Well, let's do the green shirt. Okay, so we're just gonna like fan this one, if you know what I mean. Like fold it one way and then the other way and then that way and then the other way and then that way. And then we're gonna roll it like so. And we'll see how that works. Let's get bleaching. So we did the green one on camera, and it's kind of starting to turn like lighter, but also it's still like turning like a little bluish, which is cool, hopefully. This one, it just looks like it's wet, but I kind of, maybe it's turning a little more purple, but it could be because it's wet. With this one, I did the classic like spiral tie-dye, so we'll see how that turns out. This one, we didn't do yet, but I like had it like laid out normally, then I squished it, and then I rolled it. So let's go. Look, it's turning blue. What? Okay, that's cool. I hope it turns more blue. Onto the sweatshirt. Also, we did realize, well, I realized that the shirt was turning blue because the Walmart bag had blue on it and it started to rub off. So, not as cool. So, with this one, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do 2 spirals and then like spiral the hood, maybe? I don't know. I'm just gonna fold it. Hopefully these turn out well. I'm really excited for the green one because that one's like the one that's really turning. And then the blue one's also like turning like pinky and purplish. The pink one, we thought it was blue, but that one's like not doing anything. Also, I'm gonna let these sit for like 4 hours. What color do you think it's gonna turn? I feel like since it's gray, it's gonna turn like white. Or like at least lighter gray. For this one, I want it to be like pretty random. And I saw Jenna Marbles do this, so it's obviously FDA approved. So we're just kind of gonna like that. That's what she did. We did this. Here we go. Hopefully this turns out good because I'm really excited because I love how the black shirts look that are tie-dye bleach. Let's go to the porch. So, the shirts are done. They've been sitting for like 5.5. This is the pink one, and it turned white-ish in some places, and then there's still the blue from the Walmart bag. So let's open it. So I honestly don't think this one did anything. It literally looks the same. There's like no color change to it at all. The bleach did not affect this for some reason. one. Excited, kind of. I didn't want it to be this orangey color. We will see how it turns out after it's washed. One is the green tank top. Now I'm pretty shocked at how this one was because I thought this one would be a fail. I don't know if it's gonna be a fail, but it literally, like, it's white. Like, if you remember the green and how it is now, like, I think this is the most, like, drastic color change. Little voiceover, this is the pink shirt, and I like how this one turned out. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. After careful reconsideration, I'm giving it an 8.5 out of 10. So this is the green tank top. I don't know why, but it was reminding me of a cow for some reason, but it does not look like a cow. This one's like not bad. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10 though. The blue one, I'm not that disappointed about it. I thought it would turn white and kind of look like a sky, but the pink-ish purple is cool, so this one is actually gonna get a 7 out of 10. The design was supposed to be a spiral and didn't really spiral that well, but it's okay. Obviously, no shock at all, but this one is my favorite one. It's not exactly the color I wanted it, but I actually really like this color too. This one is 11 out of 10. It's my favorite, and I'm gonna be wearing this so much. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do whatever, and I'll see you in my next video, I guess.